Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to engrave a cheese board. We're going to take a kid's handwriting. He wrote a little special message to his teacher, and we're going to take that and we're going to engrave it in a cheese board. Of course, using the Glowforge, we're going to use the tool trace. I'm going to show you step by step how to use it. It came out so cute. And also guys, if you want to become part of our Glowforge community, if you want to own a Glowforge, you have to use my referral because it's up to $500 of discount. So go ahead and use my referral code. And one more thing, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. With that being said, let's get started. Guys, so I placed the design into the Glowforge. Now we're going to use the feature trace, and I'll show you how it works. So we're gonna click here, create, and we're gonna select the capture from the camera. So there is our design. So we're gonna select whatever we want, right? This part, and then we're gonna place the artwork. This is fine. So we're gonna place the board into the Glowforge. Okay, so now we have our board, our cheese board, right? I'm gonna put this a little bit smaller, and I'm gonna play around with it with like where I want to put it, where I want to place it. I'll be placing it maybe here, maybe in the middle, probably here. So let's see. I decided to place it here, and then place her name right here, and then I'm gonna place the rest here in the middle, and then the kid's signature, one to this side, one to the other side. So let's see how this turns out. So for this project, I had to remove the crumb tray, and we're going to print this part first. So we have to do it one by one. We have to place the paper, we have to trace it, and then place the material, and then do exact the steps again and again and again until we have the board all engraved. So it says 5 minutes, so let's proceed. So now I'm gonna remove the cheese board, and I'm gonna place another piece of paper with the kids drawing. So I'm gonna place this, and you'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I decided to place this part over there, and then the other part, I miss you, and the other part on the right side here. And then I'm gonna place like the two names here, the two signatures of the kids right here. Okay, so let's proceed. And it's gonna take 9 minutes. Okay, so now we have that part left, and then the two signatures are gonna go here. And we probably are gonna add your glove and then the names of the children. Let's see how it goes. But it's so cute. So cute. I'm working on the last part. This is the signature of the child. So I'm gonna put this a little bit. We're almost done with this. Okay, so I'm gonna place this here, and we're going to continue. This is the last step, and then I'll show you the result. Beautiful. So this is the final result. This is a very cute idea. I did one for Father's Day. You could do for Mother's Day, for any type of holiday or event or anything. Like, it's just perfect for any gift. It came out very nice. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And please hit the like button. That helps a lot my channel. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.